Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lade Ibikunle, and if today is the first time you're stopping by or stumbling on my channel, I say welcome. Thank you for clicking the video. Thank you because I know you're going to watch it to the end. Thank you because I know you're going to click on the subscribe button and actually subscribe. So today's video was actually very much requested by my followers on Instagram. I put up a video saying, or a picture saying, I ordered ring lights from Aliexpress to Nigeria, and everybody wanted to know how I ordered it, where I ordered it from, how long it took to get here, the demo, the review, and everything. So today is the day I answer all your questions. I'm going to be showing you how the ring light is, if it came in good condition, if it's working well, if it's working for the purpose for which I purchased it. So all that good stuff will be done in this video. So first things first, before I order this ring light on AliExpress, I made sure to do my research. So I searched for ring light, and then I made sure to go through the reviews of each seller to see if they've disappointed people in the past before, and if they had, I was clicking X on that seller and then moving on to the next seller. So I came across this particular seller and I saw that 3 Nigerians had ordered from them, and then they were raving about it. So I just thought, okay, if the reviews are good, if people have ordered from this seller in Nigeria, and if people are raving about it, then why don't I just try it out? So I ordered the ring light, the 26 centimeter ring light, because that was the biggest they had. I don't know if that was the biggest they had, but then that was what I wanted. Placed the order, put in my delivery address and everything, and then I placed the order. So after that, you know how AliExpress does now, the seller has to accept the products that you've purchased from them, has to ship it and then has to send it to me. So the process for acceptance of shipments took like 1 day, and then the actual shipment to Nigeria took less than 2 weeks. So that means it took less than 2 weeks for my product to come to me in Nigeria. That's actually really good for AliExpress, because normally when I order on AliExpress I wait for like 2 months. 2 good months. I'm really glad that this came early and it came in 2 weeks. So how was it really shipped to me? I put in my actual address, but then the product, the ring light, went to the nearest post office to my address. Do you understand? So if you're putting a Ikeja address, it will go to an Ikeja post office. If you're putting a Ikoyi address, it will go to an Ikoyi post office. So it went to a post office near me, and then I went to the post office. Actually, I didn't go to the post office. My friend went for me and paid 1,000 naira to the post office guys to collect the ring light. Now I don't know if Nigerian post office is supposed to be collecting money after you've paid for shipping, but yeah. So yes, I picked up the ring light and then I went to my house. The ring light came in a square carton box, and inside the box has the ring light itself, selfie stick that you attach to the stand, and the tiny stand itself. So you couple all that together and that gives you the ring light. Now in the middle of the ring lights you have a phone holder where you can use your phone to record or not. It depends on you. Another thing I love about this beautiful ring light is that you don't need to have actual electricity before it works. It has a USB cord that you can just plug to a power bank, to your laptop, and to your power socket, and then it just comes on. So you do not need actual electricity before it works. And you know how it is in Nigeria, it works really well for me. So I coupled those 3, and then I turned on my ring lights, and oh my god, this ring light is amazing. That's what I'm currently using to film, and I really have nothing bad to say about it for now, except for the fact that I thought it was going to be a little bigger than what I imagined. But then the thing is, I ordered the 26 centimeter ring light, so what was I really expecting? A 54 centimeter ring light? Of course not. So the ring light has like 3 types of lights. That's what I'm currently using to film, so I'm going to demo the 3 types of lights. And with this control, you can control the lights. So this is one type of the light. This is like very blue or very white, you know, light. And then this one is very yellowish and very red. And then this other one is in between the yellow and red. It's a little white, a little yellow, and it just gives a really nice, you know, glow effect. Let's go back to the first light, which is the white light. So this is the white light, and with every degree of light, you can either increase or decrease the intensity of the light. So this is me reducing the intensity of this light. Bad. And this is me increasing it. So this is my filming setup without the ring light, so you know the full effect. Without the ring light, it's like this, and with the ring light, it's like this. You can see from this video that the ring light is actually powerful, and this is the only source of light I'm using right now, except for my window lights that is coming seeping through here, but then it's not bright outside, so it's like evening, so it's not bright outside at all. So you can see I'm really relying on just this ring light, and it's giving me this result. Of course, this side is dark because my window is like this. I should have set up my camera another way, but then I just wanted it like this. So this is the only source of light I'm currently using, and this is the effect. My advice to you, if you're going to order ring lights or anything sensitive like that on Aliexpress, is that you go through the reviews, see if other people are complaining about it. If they're complaining about it, run, because of course that's a fake seller. There are a lot of fake sellers on Aliexpress, but then I've been fortunate enough to always get the original sellers. But the thing is, you can easily fall prey to a fake seller. So read the reviews, see the pictures that the customers are putting up, see the pictures that they are putting up. I can say I'm really happy with this purchase. I'm really glad. I was skeptical at first, but you know, I'm really glad. The whole ring light with the stand, with everything it came with that you saw in the video, cost 5,038 naira, as I said before, and then it cost 1,000 naira to ship. 1,000 naira, even less than 1,000 naira to ship. That's how amazing this ring light is. So if you're going to purchase it, I'll leave a link to the direct seller in my description box below, so you can check it out, and then you can purchase if you want and all of that good stuff. So I mean, what else do you want me to? If you have any other questions concerning this ring light or shopping on Aliexpress in general, just let me know, and I'll be sure to give you a nice detailed video just like this, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and for any other video suggestion that you have, please just send them all in, because I want to do a lot of videos. I have ring lights. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time.